Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Shani. If you are using Canva and you want to know that how you can curve the corner of any image or picture, then in this video I will show you how to do that. I have a case where I have to cut this corner in a way so it becomes round and I can fit it in this frame. This is iPhone frame and this is iPhone screenshot. So if you want to curve the corner of any picture or image, then you have to select that image and then click on corner rounding. So once you click on corner rounding, it will show you the how much you want to make a curve. So basically it can be radius. So for this image I have used 30 of radius, but you can try whatever it fix. So for now it looks like this, and I'm zooming it so you can see it. So for this screenshot I have used 30, so I'm using here 30 and enter. But you have to check how much radius you want to provide to your pictures corner, so you can increase and reduce. So 36 is also fine, so it's up to you what radius you want to provide, and then it looks very perfect. So this how you can make your corner round, or you can provide radius to your picture's corner. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comment or feedback, please drop them in the comment box below. Like the video and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.